Follow-up question to what are the drawbacks of eco-finish, which is related somewhat, I suppose, but completely a different topic. Can I put a liner on top of gunite?
So yes, you can. It's not as prevalent as you would imagine, but it's certainly been done many times. We've probably all dabbled in it at one time or two, and actually put a vinyl liner in a gunite pool. The process requires a little bit of forethought, and you have to look through the process of how do I convert each of the fittings from a gunite fitting into a vinyl fitting so that I can adhere the vinyl. Um, like around the returns, you gotta modify that. The drain in the bottom, the skimmer itself, you either break out and put in a different type of skimmer, or you've got to figure out a way of marrying the two together. But it's definitely possible, and it's a really good scenario when you have an old gunite pool that has some structural cracks that you just can't fix, that just won't stop leaking, and or the gunite pool is just in such rough shape that it's going to take a massive amount to bring it back. A vinyl liner in that case is probably less expensive to retrofit and make work. It just requires a lot of extra measurements, and make sure that the vinyl company knows that they're building a vinyl liner for a gunite pool so that they can shape the bottom so it works better for that, versus the shape of a vinyl liner. Traditional vinyl liner pool is very different than the shape underwater of the gunite pool. So the liner company just needs to know that so they can make all the measurements properly and build it properly.